dear students, now I want to discuss with you one more small concept. These all are basic fundamentals in physics. So today first class, so for that I started basic fundamentals. Next I want to discuss with you fundamental quantities, or base quantities. Base quantities. Right? Fundamental quantities or base quantities. Actually, dear students, in physics there are 7 fundamental quantities are there, and those 7 fundamental quantities have their own units. And before that I want to discuss with you, I think you know already. Actually, there are 3 types of system of units are there in physics. What are that? One is a CGS, one is MKS, and another one is FPS. Actually, we know MKS is generally we can refer it as a SI system. So in CGS is nothing but C represents centimeter, G represents gram, S represents second. And in MKS, M represents mass, K represents kilogram, S represents second. And in FPS, F represents a foot, P represents pound, S represents second. C means unit of length. In CGS system, C means unit of length. And G means, C if you want means I will write here. So if you have any doubt, CGS, MKS. Generally MKS is represents MKS we can also call SI. SI is a system of international unit. And it is what? FPS. See here, unit of length, unit of mass, and unit of time. So unit of length is nothing but in CGS system centimeter. In CGS centimeter. Unit of mass means gram. Unit of time means second, right? And unit of length in MK system is meter. And the unit of mass in MK system is kilogram. And the unit of time in MK system is also second. And unit of length in FPS system is foot, and unit of mass in FPS system is pound, and unit of time in FPS system is second. So this is the fundamentals in physics also, right? What is that? I think already you know in 7th class itself already we discussed this fundamentals. So here C represents centimeter, that is unit of length. G represents gram, that is unit of mass. S represents second, that is unit of second. M represents meter, that is unit of length in MK system or SI system. K represents kilogram, that is the unit of mass in MK system. S represents seconds, the unit of time in MKS or SI system. And F represents foot, that is the unit of length in FPS system. P represents pound, that is the unit of mass in FPS system. S represents second, that is the unit of time in FPS system. So here, actually, generally nowadays, internationally, all are using this MK system or SI system. Generally, we can call it as SI system. Here, SI meaning, note, SI meaning system of international unit. System of international. Right? Yes. So generally internationally all are using this SA system, MK system. So if you want to convert that MK system in CGS system means, so we have units are there. So now I want to discuss with you, there are 7 fundamental quantities are there in physics. There are 7 fundamental quantities, are there in physics, and they have their own units, What are the 7 fundamental quantities? See, one is length, second one is mass, third one is time, fourth one is electric current, fifth one is a.
'a' temperature,
Sixth one is amount of substance. Amount of substance. Sixth one is luminous intensity. Luminous intensity. Luminous intensity. It is a one serial number. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And SI unit. Length means meter, mass means kilogram, time means second, electric current means ampere, temperature means Kelvin, amount of substance means mole, luminous intensity means candela. Symbols: meter m, kilogram kg, second means second, ampere means A, Kelvin means K, mole means mole, candela means CD. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities and they have their own units. This is a physical quantity. This is what? Physical, or sorry, you can write a fundamental quantity. Fundamental. Just I am writing here roughly, dear students. So you can write in your notes very neatly. Why? Because while explaining it was somewhat roughly only. So just you can write in your note very neatly. The appearance of notes is a very, very important. Like this. No problem, I will send notes to you. So these are the 7 fundamental quantities, and remaining concepts of fundamentals in physics next class we can discuss, dear students.